Hey guys, welcome back. Today I want to show you our new house. So we're leaving the Palm Jumeirah, all of this after more than 10 years. And I will show you our new house, and by new I mean you'll see in a second. But I also want to talk briefly about the Dubai real estate sector, because what has been happening in the Dubai real estate sector for the last couple of years is part of the reason why we're leaving. So let's get started. So as mentioned, today I want to show you our new villa, but first I want to talk a little bit about the real estate sector here in Dubai and why we decided to move from the Palm. So since roughly 2014, real estate prices in Dubai have been falling, and this coincides also with the announcement that Dubai would win EXPO 2020. It's a little bit this buy the rumor, sell the news. It's as if speculators were buying real estate prior to 2014 and then starting to sell once the news came out that Dubai would win EXPO 2020. But I don't think it's that easy. I don't think that the Dubai market is driven that much by speculation. So it's mainly due to oversupply. Once EXPO 2020 was announced, or that Dubai would win EXPO 2020, all the construction companies, all the real estate companies went into overdrive and started to build like crazy. I need to check whether I can find the source, but at some point they mentioned that they would double the number of hotel beds from 2014 to 2020. So that just gives you an indication of the amount of construction that was going on. Since the peak of 2014, real estate prices until 2019 fell about 40%, and in 2020 it fell another roughly 10%, and it is forecasted that in 2021 real estate prices would continue falling. So I think it's fair to say that from its peak, real estate prices will fall at least 50% in this downturn. COVID and the consequential losses of jobs in the UAE and in Dubai and the delay of EXPO 2020 sort of amplified the mismatch of supply and demand in the UAE and Dubai especially. Oxford Economics estimates that roughly 900,000 jobs might be lost in the UAE, which roughly translate to 10% of the UAE population. So that means that a lot of people are going to leave. So the demand side is massively reduced while still there's more supply of real estate coming into the market. And obviously the reduced real estate prices allows us as a family to rent real estate that was previously not affordable for us. The second reason, apart from the lower real estate prices, is that because there is less demand, desirable locations that used to be almost not available, so there used to be waiting lists for certain communities in Jumeirah, Suqeim, Safa, that the waiting lists were 3 to 5 years, are suddenly completely available. There is pretty much no waiting list. So that is very attractive for us, that we're able to now pursue communities that previously were not available. The third reason, due to COVID, in 2020 there was a lot of working from home, and let's be honest, 2021 will be probably similar, that still companies will want employees to work from home a lot, and so as we spend more time at home, We want to make sure that we have an enjoyable environment and have good working conditions. So, and the fourth and the last reason is that we have 2 young kids. They enjoy sleeping together in 1 bedroom, so we have a 2-bedroom apartment here on the Palm Jumeirah. But sooner or later, more space is welcome, and now that for the above mentioned reason, it's a good opportunity for us to move. So now let's go ahead and have a look at the new house. So this is going to be our new house or apartment or villa or bungalow, however you may want to call it. Let's go inside. So here to the left is going to be the living room. The beautiful large garden. To the right of the entrance is the kitchen. One room, that's going to be the dining room, so they're going to remove one of the walls. And down the hall to the left, one of the kids' rooms. Another kids' room. And the master bedroom. With changing room and bathroom.